What is up, everybody? It feels so good to be back on the road. We are in the Badlands National Park in South Dakota. It's only fitting that about a year ago was our real last camping trip. So here we are again in the van. It's not completely done yet. It's almost there, but we just couldn't wait. We had to get out. It's done enough to make us comfortable, but here we are out in the Badlands, South Dakota, exploring. The place is beautiful. Can't wait to see what's around the corner. Good morning. Hope you guys enjoyed that beautiful hike. What a great way to start our day. We are here at the Sage Creek Campground in the Badlands National Park in South Dakota. This is a first come, first serve free campground, but there's only 25 sites. Before that hike, we spent the first part of the morning watching these bison behind us roam in the field. Got some amazing shots. I can't think of a better way to start our day than a hot cup of coffee and some bison in our backyard. We're about to go explore the rest of the Badlands today. Let's go see what we can get into. Badlands. Wow. You guys, if you haven't been, definitely put this place on your bucket list. I think the biggest thing that stands out to me here that I haven't quite experienced at any other national park we've been to so far is the amount of wildlife that's so easily spotted. We've seen bison, we've seen bighorn sheep, we've seen coyotes chasing little prairie dogs, we've seen about 100 million prairie dogs. It's just amazing. We've seen so many different species of animals out here without really trying too hard. So we've really enjoyed our time here. I mean, look at this wide open prairie land. This is amazing. So tonight we're gonna head back to the Buffalo grassy land area, find a camp spot for the night, settle down, maybe get washed up, get some dinner. Tomorrow we're gonna head out to the Black Hills and see what we can find there. Can't wait to see what lies ahead. Well, here we are. We are at Custer State Park, nestled within the Black Hills of South Dakota. And lo and behold, guess what we've found today? Bison. We just can't get enough. There's no shortage of wildlife on this trip.
What you doing, Logie? Did you find a woolly worm?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
How is it, boys?
Good.
What you got there? Some pancakes with some bananas on top? That looks good.
The pancake sandwich with almond butter.
Are those blueberries?
They're wawa berries.
Yeah, we found a pretty nice spot here. We're in the Fritch Creek Campground here in South Dakota. We are up in the Black Hills. We're actually in Custer State Park. It's pretty nice, pretty beautiful place. Lots of scenery. We got up early this morning, drove around, tried to find some wildlife, some good views. Thank goodness the wind has calmed down here for a minute. We stopped here by this creek, eating some pancakes. Mom was up there cooking. Boys are eating. Haven't had anything yet, but I will here in a minute. But these skies, I mean, it's just a crystal clear blue skies. It's amazing.
Except there's a moon.
Oh, is the moon up?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's a crescent.
A crescent, yep, half sliver. That's cool.
Yep.
But just enjoying our time here, relaxing. Not sure where we're heading after this. Hope everyone's enjoying the footage. It's a pretty epic place. Definitely recommend visiting this area. What do you boys think? Pretty cool area. South Dakota is beautiful.